Lymphedema treatment and cures. If you have been diagnosed with lymphedema, you may be confused about the aspects of this condition. When it comes to lymphedema treatment and cures, most people assume there are medications that can be taken to provide treatment that ultimately leads to a cure. However, this is not a correct assumption. While there are treatments that can relieve the symptoms, there is not yet a cure. What are the treatments? Massage. A specific massage technique is one treatment. This involves a person who is trained in a particular way of applying hand strokes to the area that is affected. The treatment helps by moving the built-up lymph fluid to the lymph nodes where it can drain from the body. It requires traveling to a trained therapist for the treatment, which can be a problem for some people. Often people suffering from lymphedema are unable to walk from one room to another, and distance can be another barrier. The massage is not recommended for those who have certain problems. If you have congestive heart failure or blood clots, cancer or skin infections, this technique should not be used. It is not a good idea if you have received radiation treatments in the areas affected by lymphedema. Lymphedema pumps. Another consideration for those who are looking for lymphedema treatment and cures is a lymphedema pump. This has been an amazing breakthrough for people with this condition. It works by placing a sleeve that is attached to a pump over the area of the body that is affected. The sleeve inflates and deflates intermittently. This causes the buildup of fluid to move away from the area and into the lymph systems, thereby relieving the swelling and pressure. Exercise. Many doctors recommend exercise as part of the treatment for lymphedema. However, if the person suffering from this condition has problems with movement, this can make exercise impossible. This is where lymphedema pumps can help as well. When the swelling and pain is eased by pumping the built-up lymph fluid from the area, exercise is made possible. In addition, it allows those with lymphedema to return to their normal everyday routine. This can be very important to their mental as well as physical health. Lymphedema complications. It is very important to move the built-up fluid back into the lymphatic system. Prolonged swelling can cause skin to crack and infections are a risk. In extreme cases, limbs have required amputation because of infection. Keeping a watch on your skin areas that are affected by lymphedema is essential to preventing this from occurring. Lotion can help to keep skin from becoming too dry. It can be quite frustrating to discover that lymphedema treatment and cures do not go hand in hand. The main thing to remember is that you can control some of the problems by learning everything you can about this condition. There are thousands of people in the US with lymphedema. Until recently, they did not have a lot of options for treatment. Today, due to ongoing research and discoveries such as lymphedema pumps, it is possible to experience relief from symptoms and get back to living your life. Dramatically improve the quality of your life and successful management of lymphedema with our lymphedema pump. We'll work with your doctor and insurance provider for you. Call us today at 855-361-2944 or visit LymphedemaPumpsDirect.com.